Hey everybody, how you doing? Mr. Bookman here, and I will be reading When You Take a Step by Bethanie, Deeney, Murguia. Please enjoy. When I Take a Step. For my hiking friends, thank you for sharing the path. What happens when you take a step? You begin a journey. You find your balance. You greet the world wide and full. You crunch fall leaves. You collect the small treasures.
Good nights made easy. That's totally targeted. When you decide you want to lose weight, you can try fasting.
You make new friends, wild and free.
Sad sniffer, or you can be you. You can love food and still be slim. That's a win-win. Weight Watchers can teach you how. Start today.
You share a path. You join the rhythm.
Yes, I need a trip. I just want to be able to touch the damage and touch them instead. So, still need that trip?
You gather courage and try again.
I don't need a haircut. Don't trim daily damage. Stop it with Dove. You love closing the deal, but hate managing your business.
You follow your heart. You blaze a trail.
Indeed Instant Match instantly delivers quality candidates matching your job description. Visit Indeed.com/hire. Ooh, the Chewy app.
You begin to dream big and bold.
Splurge on catnip toys. I feel so accomplished. Pet, please. Great prices, happy pets.
You learn from your heroes.
The perfect size.
You meet the past.
School, a new job, and getting into my first apartment. There's so much I can sell. Bags, accessories, home decor, and it's so easy to sell on Hush.
You walk with all
I love it.
who have walked before.
I wish I would have introduced the fresh food a lot sooner. After Farmer's Dog is a much healthier way, she's a lot more active, and be able to join us in our adventures.
Get started at longlivedogs.com.
You discover your power.
Everything just clicks. Compare brands in store or online. See them in your space and schedule free delivery. So when it's installed, it'll just click.
You move toward hope.
Select appliances and everything else you want at the home store.
And you make the world better. When you take a step.
I can't take my eyes off my eyes. My go-to is moving my eyes.
Yeah, how many of you remember your first step that you took?
My eyes look brighter and whiter.
Let me know with a thumbs up how many of you remember your first step and everything.
Cordless Max lets you vacuum and wash your floors at the same
Just
time.
curious.
Wet messes.
Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading here, and if you did, smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that for me? Give this video a big thumbs up. Share it. If you're new and you came along this book reading, hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got. I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a fantastic one, and take care, everybody.
You guys opened up. It looks